Hi, Assalamualaikum. We are from BM2455L. We'll be presenting on the research paper of measuring the relationship between service quality, food and beverages quality, and physical environment toward customer satisfaction at Starbucks in Klang Valley. For introduction, the topic for the research is measuring the relationship between service quality, food and beverages quality, and physical environment towards customer satisfaction at Starbucks Klang Valley. The main discussion in this chapter includes the research background, problem statement, objective and question for the research, hypothesis of the study, and significance of the study. Background of the company. This research was conducted to study about Starbucks in Malaysia. Starbucks in Malaysia is operated by Berjaya Starbucks Coffee Company, Sdn Bhd, a license of Starbucks Coffee International. Starbucks' first store opening are in Kuala Lumpur on 17 December 1988. Background of the study. Starbucks customer satisfaction scores begin to decline despite the fact that of Starbucks' overwhelming presence and convenience. There was very little image of product differentiation between Starbucks and the smaller coffee chains. Problem statement. Starbucks sales fall short as holiday drink flop. Shares down nearly 5%. Starbucks reported first quarter 2018 revenue and same-store sales that meets analysts' quarter 2018 revenue and same-store sales that meets analysts' expectation on Thursday after the closing bell. Next is research objectives. Research objectives 1, research objectives 2, and research objective 3. Next, research questions 1 and research questions 2. Research questions 3. Next, research hypothesis. Null hypothesis 1, null hypothesis 2, and null hypothesis 3. Next, alternative hypothesis 1, alternative hypothesis 2, and alternative hypothesis 3. Next is limitations. The limitations are small sample size, race of the respondents, limitation of budget, and limitation of time constraints. Next, significance of study. This research can serve as a purpose to help Starbucks to better understand the factors that influence customer satisfaction, and by examining these significant factors based on the respondent feedbacks, Starbucks would be able to make improvement in their current products or services. Here is the research framework of the study. Next is research design. The figure above shows the population distribution in Klang Valley for the year 2010 and 2020, and based on the figure above, total population for the year 2010 is 6 million and the forecast population for the year 2020 is 7.8 million. Next is research instrument. The instrument used for data collection in this research study is questionnaire. The questionnaire have been distributed to all respondents through Google Form. Likert scale was used for options where 1 equals to strongly disagree to 5 equals to strongly agree. Next is Crowbar Alpha. The table above shows all independent variables for Crowbar Alpha score is 881 until 910. Therefore, the value of the alpha for this study was very highly reliable and consistent with the table above shows the R-square. The R-square indicated how much this study presenting of. In this case, R-square for the model is 803 equivalents to 80.3%. Hence, our study has presented 80.3% and has balanced 19.7%. Had not studied yet and must bring to future research to study. of service quality cleanliness and service quality of service response do reject the null hypothesis and accept the alternative hypothesis. Moreover, there is no relationship between cleanliness and service response toward the dependent variable of customer satisfaction. The independent variables of food and beverages quality of taste and value of money and physical environment do accept null hypothesis and reject alternative hypothesis. So, there is a relationship between taste, value of money and physical environment towards customer satisfaction. Next is correlation. The correlation coefficient can range in value from -1 to +1. The larger the absolute value of the coefficient, the stronger the relationship between the variables. For a person correlation, an absolute value of 1 indicates a perfect linear relationship. A correlation close to 0 indicates no linear relationship between the variables. In this research, show all the correlation is near to 1. So this is indicate a perfect linear relationship. The current study has contributed to both theoretical and practical implications. For theoretical implication, it has added new knowledge to the literature of factors that affect customer satisfaction and led to new findings from the current study and have been found which to be different from previous research. This study also helped to verify why the current study found that there is a significant relationship between the dependent variable and all independent variables. For practical implication, this study helps to give more awareness to the manager to be aware of the problems in order to increase the service efficiency. It is recommended that the same study should be conducted on the bigger population to achieve more accurate findings. The survey should be conducted with a large number of respondents from several coffee drinkers. As this study was only conducted in a focused organization which was in UITM, the result from the findings may be biased and not accurate for Starbucks customers. Furthermore, the result from this study can be used by the management to improve their company. Thus, further research may focus more on determinant factor in customer loyalty and import. Thank you.